Have you been struggling with stubborn bad breath, aching joints, or unpredictable blood sugar levels? Do digestive issues leave you bloated and uncomfortable no matter what you eat? Or perhaps your immune system just can't seem to bounce back the way it used to, making every cold or cough linger longer than it should. Now imagine if just one tiny dried flower bud could make a significant difference in these daily struggles. That's right. A single clove, something most of us overlook in the spice rack, holds ancient healing secrets now being validated by modern science. This humble spice, once more precious than gold in ancient trade routes, is packed with powerful compounds like eugenol, flavonoids, and antioxidants that can fight bacteria, soothe inflammation, balance blood sugar, and even protect against chronic diseases. What if chewing just one clove a day could spark a transformation in your health you didn't think was possible? In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cloves. You'll discover 8 incredible research-backed health benefits of chewing just one clove a day. Benefits that touch every part of your body, from your mouth and gut to your liver, joints, and immune system. We'll explore how and when to chew cloves to unlock their full healing power, who should avoid them, and the potential side effects you need to know. Every claim is supported by scientific studies, some recent, some decades old, all incredibly revealing. So make sure you stay with me till the end, because this could be one of the simplest but most powerful habits you ever adopt. Welcome to Premium Health Harbor, your trusted sanctuary for natural healing, where ancient wisdom meets modern science. If you're someone who believes in the power of nature, in using time-tested remedies that nourish the body gently but effectively, then you're in the right place. Here we explore remedies that don't just mask symptoms, but heal from the root, using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. So grab a cup of herbal tea, take a deep breath, and let's journey into one of nature's most potent little wonders, the mighty clove. Benefit number 1, fights bacteria and improves oral health. Let's begin right where cloves first show their magic, in your mouth. Cloves contain a powerful bioactive compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural antiseptic and pain reliever. When you chew on a clove, it releases essential oils that begin fighting bacteria right away, especially the kind responsible for bad breath, gum disease, and tooth decay. A study published in the Journal of Natural Products in 2006 found that eugenol exhibits strong antibacterial effects against Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria linked to dental cavities. Not only does this reduce the bacterial load in your mouth, but it also numbs pain, explaining why clove oil has been used for centuries to relieve toothaches. In fact, even modern dentists use eugenol-based products during procedures. So if you're struggling with bad breath or sensitive gums, chewing a clove each morning could become your natural mouthwash and mini oral detox. Benefit number 2, improves digestion and reduces acidity. Moving down to the stomach, cloves work wonders for your digestive system. Ever noticed how cloves are used in traditional remedies for nausea, bloating, and indigestion? That's because they stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, easing the breakdown of food. According to a study published in Phytotherapy Research in 2014, clove extract was shown to enhance gastric mucus production and protect the stomach lining from ulcers and acidity-related damage. Eugenol, again, plays a key role here by reducing inflammation in the stomach lining and soothing the gut. Chewing a clove before meals can help reduce bloating, gas, and even acid reflux, making it a perfect remedy for those with sensitive stomachs or sluggish digestion. Benefit number 3, helps regulate blood sugar levels. Now let's talk about one of the most remarkable effects of cloves, blood sugar control. For people struggling with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, this could be a small but powerful ally. A 2006 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food investigated the effects of clove supplementation in diabetic patients and found a significant improvement in insulin function, glucose response, and overall metabolic health. The researchers concluded that cloves' high antioxidant and polyphenol content helps enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to regulate glucose. Just one clove chewed on an empty stomach can help stabilize blood sugar spikes throughout the day. Of course, it's not a substitute for medication, but it's a valuable complementary habit especially for those seeking more natural approaches. Benefit number 4, strengthens the immune system. In today's world, having a resilient immune system is more important than ever, and Clove can help you build one. Rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, cloves support the body in neutralizing harmful free radicals that weaken your defense mechanisms. A 2011 study published in the Journal of Immunotoxicology found that clove extract stimulates the production of white blood cells, particularly lymphocytes, which are crucial for fighting infections. By chewing a clove daily, you're not just preventing colds and flu, you're reinforcing your body's frontline soldiers. The result? Fewer sick days, faster recovery, and a more energized, resilient you. Benefit number 5, reduces inflammation and eases joint pain. If you suffer from joint stiffness, arthritis, or chronic inflammation, Clove can offer relief without the side effects of pharmaceuticals. Eugenol has been shown to inhibit COX-2 enzymes, which are directly linked to pain and inflammation. A 2008 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that clove extract significantly reduced inflammatory markers in animal models. That's the same pathway targeted by popular painkillers like ibuprofen, but without the potential damage to your stomach lining or liver. Regularly chewing a clove can act as a gentle, daily anti-inflammatory that supports your joints and tissues from within. Benefit number 6, supports liver health and detoxification. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and cloves can help lighten its load. A 2012 study published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity showed that clove extract significantly reduced oxidative stress in the liver of rats exposed to harmful toxins. This means cloves may help your liver filter out heavy metals, environmental pollutants, and metabolic waste more efficiently. The antioxidants in cloves not only protect liver cells from damage, but may also promote tissue regeneration. For people exposed to alcohol, medications, or processed food, this is especially important. Think of chewing a clove daily as giving your liver a small but effective cleansing boost. Benefit number 7, natural remedy for cold, cough, and respiratory congestion. Clove's warming and antimicrobial nature makes it a natural remedy for respiratory issues. When chewed, it releases vapors that help open nasal passages, soothe the throat, and break down phlegm. The Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine published a study in 2012 that confirmed cloves' effectiveness against various strains of respiratory bacteria, including Klebsiella pneumoniae. Inhaling the vapor or simply chewing the bud can reduce coughing fits, sinus pressure, and sore throat pain. If you're the kind of person who frequently gets seasonal colds, this habit may dramatically reduce your symptoms or even prevent them altogether. Benefit number 8, may help inhibit cancer cell growth. This final benefit is the most striking and promising. Cloves have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties, especially in the early stages of cellular mutation. A 2014 study published in Oncology Reports revealed that clove extract induced apoptosis, programmed cell death in colon cancer cells. The powerful antioxidants, eugenol in particular, seem to target abnormal cell growth while leaving healthy cells untouched. While more human trials are needed, these findings are exciting. It suggests that a simple habit like chewing a clove might play a small role in a much bigger preventive health strategy, especially when paired with a clean diet and lifestyle. Now that we've explored these powerful benefits, you might be wondering, how exactly should you chew cloves to get the most out of them? Let's break it down. But before we dive in, if you're enjoying this deep science-backed approach to natural healing, consider subscribing to the channel. It means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you this kind of content. So now that you know what this tiny powerhouse can do, the next question is, how exactly should you consume it to maximize the benefits? Timing, method, and consistency matter. The most effective way to use cloves is to chew one whole dried clove slowly on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning. When you chew it, you activate the essential oils, especially eugenol, which starts working on your saliva glands, gut, and bloodstream almost immediately. You might feel a tingling sensation or slight numbness in your tongue. That's a good sign. It means the compounds are active. After chewing, wait 15 to 30 minutes before eating or drinking anything else. allowing the clove's properties to fully absorb into your system. If the flavor is too strong, you can start by slightly crushing the clove and swallowing it with warm water. But chewing releases more of the essential oil, making it more effective. Consistency is key. To see noticeable results in digestion, immunity, and inflammation, chew 1 clove daily for at least 2 to 4 weeks. You can also rotate it into your routine by chewing it 5 days a week and taking 2 days off. For respiratory or seasonal issues, you can chew a clove twice a day, morning and evening, for about a week. But don't exceed that without professional guidance. Now, before you rush to add cloves to your daily routine, there are some important precautions you need to know. Natural doesn't always mean harmless, and we'll explore who should avoid this remedy and why. So keep watching. Even natural remedies, as powerful as they are, aren't one size fits all. Cloves are potent, and for some people, they might do more harm than good if misused. Who should avoid chewing cloves daily? Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Clove in food is generally safe, but medicinal doses may cause uterine contractions. Consult a doctor first. People with bleeding disorders or on blood thinners, eugenol can slow blood clotting. If you're on anticoagulant medications like warfarin, avoid cloves unless approved by your physician. Diabetics on medication. Since cloves lower blood sugar, combining them with anti-diabetic drugs could cause hypoglycemia. Monitor your levels closely. Children under 12. They should not chew cloves unsupervised, as the strong oils may cause irritation or choking. Side effects of overuse can include mouth or throat irritation, heartburn, nausea, allergic reactions in rare cases. Also, consuming more than 2 to 3 cloves daily for extended periods may stress the liver, especially if your liver is already compromised. So stick to 1 clove per day and always listen to your body. All right, we've covered everything, from benefits and methods to safety. Now let's wrap up with a quick recap and something you can do today to take the first step toward better health. So there you have it. 1 simple clove, chewed each morning, could help you fight infection, improve digestion, soothe inflammation, support your liver, balance blood sugar, and even protect against disease. This isn't magic. It's the power of natural medicine, confirmed by science and gifted to us by nature. If you've been searching for a gentle daily ritual to support your long-term health, chewing 1 clove might just be your new best habit. Will you try this for 7 days? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience or answer your questions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Premium Health Harbor for more powerful, natural healing tips backed by science. In our next video, we'll uncover the powerful combo of turmeric and black pepper, a duo that could change the way your body handles pain and inflammation. So hit the bell icon and stay tuned. Until next time, stay natural, stay healthy, and stay empowered.